Uh oh, he took the gloves off. He took the Michael Jackson glove off. So you know he about to get serious. What he about to do, bro? Nigga, what the fuck? Oh! What is going on, people of YouTube? Welcome back to the channel for another episode of My Hero Academia season number 4. It's episode number 2, and I think this is that canon shit. You know, we're finally getting into the story. I wasn't mad or upset about the last week's episode. I actually enjoyed that shit. But yeah, man, I'm happy to see what you guys talking about with this best season of My Hero type shit. You know what I'm saying? So without further ado, let's jump. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys thought of this episode. Follow me on Twitter, subscribe to Bro's YouTube channel. Links are all in the description. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, let's jump right back into some more My Hero Academia. You were a useless successor. Nighteye. Okay, getting some Nighteye. Which is reasonable. I mean, we heard of Nighteye last episode, so. Well, not reasonable, but expected, I guess I should say. Nighteye. Ain't he retired? Villains? Overhaul. My favorite. I enjoy her so much. I don't really care about everybody else. Little crazy bitch. Twice. Big fish? That's ironic. League of Villains. That's what you call Yakuza? Yakuza? The young head of the Hasaki. Overhaul. Oh shit, and they put the music on. Damn. Hasaki? He's the number 2 organized crime. How is he different? Designated villain groups. Villain reserves. Oh, just kidding. What's up with the beak, dog? The loss of all for one. Damn. Ruled over all of the underside of society. An urban legend. Showed up in the flesh and got his shit dropped. Those in the shadows, there is no leader. Facts. Who would be the next leader? I'm already liking this nigga's energy, you know what I'm saying? Uh-oh. I forgot her name. I think it started with a T. A little crazy bitch. I really like her. Does he not have a plan though? It's called a delusion. Yeah, Stain. Love Stain too. He was alright. You lost him right away, didn't you? Facts. 10 or so crazy people. He's throwing them damn shots, nigga. He wanted to recruit you, probably. Had you guys, yeah, got some little bit of clout. Hell yeah, I can recruit you. Then I become the next leader. Damn, I don't think he's gonna go like that. You gotta show what you really about. I mean, you just preaching right now, nigga. What? What the hell is that? By the chains of. Laugh at those who aren't. Nigga, why are we talking about this? Why are you memorizing this? What kind of thought process, nigga? Get the fuck. You don't want to be bound by anything. Uh oh, he took the gloves off. He took the Michael Jackson glove off. So you know he about to get serious. What he about to do, bro? Nigga, what the fuck? Oh! That nigga, I know he that nigga, dog. Oh shit! I did not expect that. I didn't think he was gonna kill him. Not even like that. Holy shit! What if he kills all of his people? Oh shit! Don't touch me. What if he kills everybody? Oh yes, niggas. Nigga, this shit is heat. If you started with that, it would have been a lot easier to understand what you wanted. Hell yeah, this nigga came to overthrow you, nigga. He didn't come to ask politely. He came to take that shit. Give me that money, nigga. Your niggas gonna work under me. Okay, I'm going to, okay. Put out the pocket knife. She about action. Yeah, he knows. The introduction to Overhaul. Oh man. Oh man, this nigga. My quirk won't come out. Did he like so he could cancel it, but is it like permanently canceled? I'll cut those guys. She just said I love her, bro. She's fucking sick. That's why I'm here. Shia Sakai. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm locked in. Please just let me get more of the villains, bro. Damn. I'm actually hyped. Damn, is this shit about to get dark? I was just thinking about that. Like, this nigga seemed like he about that shit, so I think this shit about to get dark. I know Stain was about that shit too though, but like this nigga's pissed. He went to go to karaoke. Seemed like a dapper guy right there, you know? Refuse. Really? He's against it. I like how they're just talking behind him. Yeah, I had a feeling that was the reason. Personal feelings. Many times stronger. That dedication, man. That heart, that drive. Like, what do you mean? What do you mean you can't? Mirio, the big three. Gotta go see. Okay, this nigga's. Oh, he's doing it under Nighteye. Okay, damn. For a year, damn. He gonna say, fuck no. Really? I thought they got beef. Exactly as he warned. Oh damn. He told you about this shit. What has he realized? To always win. Always his changed. He changed. The greatest hero. Wow. How hard of the path it really is. Yeah. Yeah. I like this. Wow. This season next you're gonna have me like Midoriya for for a chance, you know, for a change. I meant. Before I just thought he was like he's okay, I guess, you know. All right, I ain't like him too much. This nigga's a goddamn clown. He would have been what? Damn, really? This nigga's gone. Oh, okay, so they didn't take that shit away. That's good. That's good to know. An hour by train. Really strict. He does look strict though. You made it make him laugh? Oh goodness, that's not gonna happen at all. I just assumed he was just always a nice guy. Open it with your own strength. Bubble girl. He does hold humor to a high regards. Wait, no, please stop. What is he doing? Just gonna stare at her? Hell yeah. He walked to that bitch with confidence. This nigga. What the fuck? He's goddamn sicko. He's not surprised at all. Mirio's just sitting there with the straightest face. Oh no. Oh no. Please stop. Stop this shit. You try to perfect his smile. He got it. Uh-oh. Ridiculing All Might. Oh shit. Oh shit. That's how they ended it. Wow. That was actually an amazing episode, man. Especially the start. I just can't wait to see more of Overhaul. That nigga is. He's that nigga, man. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel for more. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought of this episode. What you guys think of Overhaul? First appearance in action, man. Let me know what you guys think. Follow my Twitter, subscribe to Bro's YouTube channel. Links are all in the description, ladies and gentlemen. That's going to be it for this video. I am gone.